Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find muted users on Bluesky social. So first things first, of course, open up your Bluesky app. If you haven't already, then let me click on someone's profile. For example, this person right here, John Boyce. I'm going to view their profile. First, I'm going to show you how to actually mute them, and then how we can find these muted users. So you just click on these three dots on their profile, and click on mute account, and they're basically muted, okay? Then click on your home screen again. Click on those three horizontal lines at the top left. Then go scroll down, guys, click on settings. Now what I want you to do, guys, is click on moderation, and then you'll see this option right here that says muted accounts. Go ahead and click on muted accounts, and right here, guys, you'll see all the people who you have muted, and their posts are basically removed from your feed and your notifications. And this is completely private. They will have no idea if you actually muted them. Now if you want to unmute them, all you have to do, click on their profile, click on those three dots once again, and click on unmute account. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.